Today, we are going to learn about a powerful tool called Typing Master. In today's digital world, typing is one of the most important skills that everyone should learn. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who uses a computer regularly, improving your typing can save time and boost productivity. Typing Master is a software application designed to help users improve their typing speed and accuracy. It's offer a structured and interactive way to learn typing through lessons, drill exercise and games. So now you are seeing how I will type here. One of the key features of the typing master is that teaches touch typing, the method of typing without looking at the keyboard. This helps you become a more efficient and confident while working on a computer. The software adapts to your individual skill level and provides a personalized feedback. That means you get extra practice for the keys you struggle with the most. See, typing. I am typing here. I am just practicing. So once you are typing without seeing keyboard, which will gives you immense of benefit. If you go any office or any college or anywhere, but you should have to practice regularly 15 to 20 minutes a day, then you get gross speed and net speed and accuracy will be improved. Now you see I am typing here. So if you are looking to boost your typing skills without needing a teacher or a formal course, Typing Master is a great place to start. That you remember. So now you will see after end of this typing, then you see the gross speed and net speed accuracy will be gross speed and net speed 21 and accuracy will be 100%. We will always focusing on the accuracy. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe, share to your friends, and then you can use the typing master in your laptop, which will be gives more benefits. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.